Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing very important lesson, which is lesson 7-8, Evaluate Expressions with Decimals. We already have discussed Evaluate Algebraic Expressions, but without decimals, with whole numbers. Today, we need to evaluate expressions with decimals. Of course, in today's video, we will review all the operations on decimals like addition, subtraction, and division and multiplication. So we need to be careful. Our objective will be evaluate expressions with decimals using substitution. So the main point today is to use substitution, which means to replace the value of the variable with the given or for the given value. Here we start. Evaluate each expression for x equals 1.8, x equals 5, and x equals 6.4. Now I give you two expressions. The first expression is 2x plus 3.1. So we need to multiply x by 2. Then we add 3.1 following order of operations. And the second one, x divide x. Let me start by the first one for the first value. So A, this is the first value given for x. The main point, as I mentioned, is substitute. Now, we take the same expression, but we replace the value of x by the given value, which is 1.8. So 2 multiply 1.8 plus 3.1. Now, mentally, 2 multiply 1.8 equals 2 multiply 8, 16. 2 multiply 1 equals 2, plus 1 equals 3. So we have one decimal place equals 3.6 plus 3.1. So I bring this 3.6 by multiplying 2 by 1.8. Now I add them. If you remember, now we bring the point. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the first value is 6.7. Now I will find or evaluate the expression for the value of x, which is 5. Now B, so multiply x by 2. 2 multiply 5 plus 3.1. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. 10 plus 3.1 equals 13.1. Now C, we replace x by 6.4. So 2 multiply 6.4 plus 3.1. 2 multiply 6.4 equals 12.8 plus 3.1 equals 1 plus 8 equals 9. 3 plus 12 equals 15. Now the second expression, x divide x. So whatever the value of x, we divide it by the same value. So it will be 1. And here when x equals 5, 5 divide 5 equals 1. And then 6.4 divide 6.4 equals 1. So the main point, we replace the value of x by the given value. Now we have another expression here, but this question is given in a table. Here the values of t, and here the expression. First, we need to find the value of the expression when t equals 0.02. So we write the expression 6.32 plus 4.2 divide t, which is 0.02. First, I replace the value of t by 0.02, the given value. Now we have divide and plus, but by using the order of operation, we can divide, or we have to divide first. Now 4.2 divide 0, this one, I'm working on this, divide 0.02 Of course, the divisor is decimal. As we mentioned in the previous lesson, we need to multiply by 100. It will move twice. It becomes 2. Now we multiply the divisor or the dividend by 100. It becomes 420. So 420 divide 2 equals 210. So this became 210. Now 6.32 plus 210, 210 plus the whole part equals 216.32. So the first value for the expression 216.32. Now we need to evaluate the expression for the value of t equals 6. So I will do it here. So I write the first step, I need to replace or substitute 6.32 plus 4.2 divide t. What's the value of t? 6. So now here plus, I'm sorry. So I need to divide 4.2 divide 6. Of course, the divisor is whole number. Then I place the point up. Then 4 divide 6 we cannot. We put 0. 42 divide 6 equals 7. 7 multiply 6 equals 42. When I subtract them, I get 0. So the answer is 0.7. Now 6.32 plus 0.7. 6.32 plus 0.7. I line up the addends. Now I annex 0 here as a placeholder. Now 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 7 equals 10. I regroup. 1 plus 6 plus 0 equals 7. So the answer is 7.02. Now, I think it is a good idea to pause the video for 2 or 3 minutes and try the third value of t, which is 11.2. Now, after you continue the video, you will find the answer. So pause the video now and try the value of t as 11.2. I will show you now the expression 6.32 plus 4.2 divide t. What's the value of t? 11.2. Now I'm dividing 4.2 by 11.2. So the divisor is 11.2. I will do it here. Now, I first need to divide 4.2 by 11.2. So, the divisor is decimal. I need to multiply by 10. So, it becomes 42 divide 112. So, 42 divide 112, we cannot. We add here 0. And we put here point. Now 420 divide 112 equals, let's guess now 103. 3 by 112 equals 336. Now when we subtract them, it becomes 10, this becomes 1, 10 minus 6 equals 4, then 1 minus 3, we cannot, we break 1, this becomes 3, this becomes 11, 11 minus 3 equals 8. Now here we add another 0, 840 divide 112 equals, let's say, equals 7. Now 7 multiply 112, let's do it. 112 multiply 7, 7 multiply 2, 14, 7 multiply 1, 7, plus 1 equals 8, 7 multiply 1, 7, 784. When we minus them now, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now 13 minus 8 equals 5. Now 7 minus 7 equals 0. Now we add another 0. Now 560 divide 112. It's about 5. So let me try. 112 multiply 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 1 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. 5 multiply 1, 5. So exactly, I put here 5. 5 multiply 112 equals 560. When I subtract them, equals 0. So the answer of this 4.2 divide 11.2 equals 0.375 plus 6.32. Now, if I want to add them, I put 6.32 plus 0.375. I put here point, and here I add 0 as placeholder. Now 5, 9, 6, 6. So the answer is 6.695 thousandths. As you can see, some expressions needs you to do many tips to get the final answer. That's all about our lesson, which is evaluate expressions with decimals. Thank you very much.